What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install your 16-inch or 20-inch or 24-inch extensions, whatever you're gonna wear. I'm wearing my 16-inch today, so if you're interested, please keep watching. Reminder, this Sunday, December 1st at 7 p.m. I will be having Cyber Monday on the website. Cyber Monday, is that what it's called? So for this sale, all seamless clip-in extensions will be $35 off, free shipping in the US. So take advantage and shop. All right, I'll see you there. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so for the first step, what I'm going to do is part my hair into its first section. I'm going to leave just an inch of hair at the bottom, and then I'm going to clip the rest. The first piece I'm going to use is my 2-clip left, and we're just going to attach one of these on the right side, and then we're going to take the other 2-clip and we're going to attach it to the left side. For the next section, we're going to part just above the ears, and then you'll just clip your hair. And in this section, we're going to be using one weft, the weft with 4 clips. You'll notice in your 16-inch set that there are 2 wefts with 4 clips. For this section, you're going to be using the shorter weft. Alright guys, so in this next section, it's just going to be right above the last one, and here we'll be using our longer 4-clip weft. Alright, so for the last 2 wefts, we're going to be using our 2 clips. One is going to go on your left side and the other is going to go on the right side. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. Here I'm just going to gently brush out the ends of my hair. Your clip should stay nice and secure all day long. They're super duper strong. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, Cyber Monday sale starts Sunday at 7 p.m. Happy shopping!